Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new and you know you're not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, let's take a look at our Amazon analysis for this week. We want to know where this price will be moving for this week. So, to be able to predict this price properly, right? I want you guys to actually stick to the end, right? So, you'll be able to understand this movement. So, let's start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. You would analyze it downward to the 4-hour time frame. So now this is the monthly time frame on Amazon, right? You can clearly see, I think this, let's start this movement from 2015. This movement from 2015 gave us a bullish move on Amazon. We can see that this price has been giving us that bullish move, right? And you can see this moving average that I've included, which is to lead us or to guide us, which I'm using 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading this moving average. Once this price is above our moving average, we all know it is a buy. We have to go long, right? There's no doubt we have to go long on this movement. Then now take a look at this movement, right? You can see that this price has rejected this level, failing to break it multiple times. This movement started right, um, would I say mid late 2021, right? Close to I think it's late 2021, right? This price gave us this bearish move, right? So I think let's see it this way. I think this was around the period of June and July, right? We started having this bearish move on Amazon. You see that price was rejecting this level. Then this Amazon started giving us a bearish move. So you can clearly see that this is a bearish move on Amazon, right? And you can also see that this price has now broken our moving average. So you all know that once price breaks up below the moving average, it is below the moving average. You all know that it is a sell. We have to short it, right? So clearly you can see that this is a bearish move. So let's start it from here. We will take this as an impulse movement downward. We would now see this as a correction. Guess what we've got here? A new lows. Here is in lower highs. Guess what? A new lows is forming, right? We want to still see this price drops further down, right? When this price drops down, then maybe then a correction would be made on this our Amazon. But as at now, are we on a correction? Definitely not. We are not on a correction. We are on a bearish move, right? So if you can see it here, from we'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are in the fifth month of a bearish move on this Amazon, right? We are in the fifth month on this bearish move. I think this bearish move started around, I think this movement, let's see where this movement started. So this movement started around August, right? This bearish move started about around August this year, right? This bearish move has been, we have been opening and closing bearish every month. Now we are at the month of December. Guess what? We've now opened and closed bearish. That is to tell you that this Amazon itself is still going to be giving us a bearish move. By the time this month will end, right, we should expect to actually close bearish move. So this Amazon, we expect this Amazon stocks to actually jump further down. So that should now take us to the weekly time frame. Notice monthly time frame, we are bearish. Now let's see what this weekly time frame actually says. So let's start this movement from here for quick analysis to understand this movement. So we will follow the trend. First of all, you can see that this price is below the 10 period moving average. Now we all know once this price is below the 10 period moving average, we have to short, we have to sell. Now see this movement here. We will take this as a lows. We will not see this as a lower highs. Here comes a new lows, right? Here is the lower highs, and here comes a new lows. Guess what? As we made a correction. After the correction, what do you expect, guys? So we expect a further drop on this Amazon. So it makes sense for price to give us a pullback at this level and reject here. One of the reasons you all know that once price has reacted to level previously, price gets to that level, we expect price to actually react to that level. So we saw price has reacted to this level multiple times, right? Once price gives us a pullback to the same level, it makes sense for it to reject downward. And we also saw a pullback here. Once price dropped to the same level, we had a pullback, price broke below it. Of course, a pullback needs to happen at this level, right? So it makes sense for price to drop. So this weekly time frame, we are also on a bearish move on Amazon. But this week that just finished, right, we actually opened and closed, bullish. We saw this price, right, kind of give us a bullish move at, I think 1.40 percentage, right? Price kind of, went bullish, right? So now let's see what this daily time frame actually says. So we're able to predict this price movement itself. So we see that this price has come to the same level, right? Which is the level that I've highlighted. We saw price came to the same level. It went up, came to the same level again. So we saw price, let's see it this way. price came to the same level. I think this is a level of 91, right? 91.90, level of 91.90. The price went up, right? Price dropped again to this same level of 90.91. Price has gone up again. It's got to a level of 96. Now we are expecting this price to drop further down. So let's see it drop further down again to this same level, which is a level of 91.90. So we would expect this price to actually drop further down, then push up again until this price breaks below this a level of 90. Then we can now go and short it. The next level we take out is this level, which is a level of 86. So this Amazon, right, we will be watching out for two levels on this Amazon, right? At first, let's watch out this price. Like we said, we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. The first rules of trading is that what you are seeing is what you would want to trade and not what you think. So what we clearly can see is that this price is kind of ranging within this level. So let's see this price just further down to this level of 90.91. Then we expect it to go up again and just further down to this level of 90.91 until this price breaks below a level of 90. Once it breaks this level, which we will take as our support level on daily time frame, once this price can break below it, then the next level we would see it drop to, or a reaction will occur, will be at a level of 86. So first of all, we should be ranging, we should be seeing a rejection at a level of 90 to 91. So we should watch out for a rejection at a level of 90 to 91 until this price breaks below it. Then the next rejection or next level we are going to expect a rejection from this Amazon is a level of 86. So just watch out for it, right? So this Amazon will watch out for it. Once price fails to break this level, we would continue to, we have no other option that to range within this level, right? Until this price drops and breaks it, then we would not go ahead to take it to 86. So just subscribe. I'll update you guys on where to take your trade on Amazon.